Hi family, welcome back to the channel. As you can already tell from the title, today's video is going to be a natural hair video. In today's video, we are going to be restoring strength and moisture back to our hair. And to do that, we are going to be making from scratch an affordable, intensive protein treatment to help our hair grow thicker, healthier, stronger, and longer. So that is what today's video is going to be about. So let's get right into it. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be yet another natural hair video. I'm going to be showing you step by step how I do my protein treatments to grow my hair. So if you want to see how I do that, then please stay tuned for the video. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mercy, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty. I do a little bit of vlogging. I talk about natural hair. I talk about feminine hygiene, and I just talk a little bit about everything. So if you want to join the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video from me again. So for those of you guys who have been following me for a while, you know that this big old thing here is my natural hair. It is hard to manage, hard to take care of, but it deserves a lot of love and care. So I like to do these little treatments and I like to share them with you guys. So today we are going to be doing a protein treatment together. I'm gonna walk you through exactly how I make the protein treatments and all the ingredients you're going to need. So let's go. Okay y'all, so these are the ingredients you're gonna need for this protein treatment. First, you're gonna need your aloe vera. You're gonna need an avocado. You're gonna need an egg. You're gonna need olive oil. You're gonna need a little bit of avocado oil. This is optional. I'm only adding it because I really like avocado oil. This is also optional for those of you guys who are allergic to coconut oil. If that is the case, you can use your olive oil, your avocado oil, and the rest of the stuff. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my blender here. I'm gonna grab my avocado, grab a knife, and then cut it. So here we have it. If you're gonna save your avocado, you always wanna use the one without the seed. You wanna save this one because that is gonna help your avocado stay fresh. So you wanna use this one and then use the peel of it to cover up your avocado, and that is how you can store it. So I'm gonna use this spoon and scoop out my avocado. So again, if you wanna store your avocado, take this part, cover this part, and then you can store it in the refrigerator. So next we're gonna move on to our aloe vera. So I have the fresh leaf here and I have some pieces here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoop it out, put it in the sifter so I can get the juice out. For those of you guys who have been following me, you know that this is the method that I like. I like to scoop it out, put it in the sifter, get the juice out so that it's only the aloe vera juice. So then I'm just gonna take my sifter, drain the juice out of the aloe vera, and add it to the blender. Up next, we're moving on to our olive oil. You don't really need specific measurements. You just need a little bit of everything. A little bit of my avocado oil, a little bit of coconut oil. As I said, this is optional. And then I'm gonna add my eggs. And for the eggs, you can do 1 or 2. So this is what the blender looks like. You don't have to make a lot of this because you're gonna end up wasting it. You just need a little bit. So now I'm just gonna move on to blending it. Okay, it is blended. This is what the mixture looks like. There's no clumps, there's no lumps. It's just nice and smooth. Okay, family, we are back and I have our lovely protein treatment right here. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my hair. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna section off my hair and then I'm gonna apply the treatment. So we will start from here. apply the mixture to my hair. So I have a little bit of aloe vera juice left over. So I have a spray bottle here. I'm just gonna be spraying some to my hair just to make it a little more manageable, and then I'm gonna apply the mixture to my hair. So I'm gonna start with this, and I'm gonna get all the other ones out of the way. So this is where we're starting, okay? So I'm gonna spray. I have my mixture here, and I'm just gonna take it. This is what it looks like. Has a nice creamy consistency, and I'm just gonna take that and rub it onto my hair. Okay, so once I have it on my entire hair, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna detangle it. I don't have my detangling brush, so I'm gonna use this comb. So this part, the big part of the comb, I'm gonna detangle that and then braid it up, and that is how I'm gonna wash my hair. Okay, family, so I am done braiding. I have a few little plaits in my hair. This is how I'm going to leave it and wash my hair. Let me show you guys the back real quick. This is what the back looks like. I'm gonna take a plastic wrap, put it on my hair, and just leave it on for about 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out. Okay, so while I'm letting my hair sit, these are the products I'm gonna be using today to wash my hair. So first thing first, I'm gonna use my sulfate-free Cream of Nature with Argan Oil shampoo. This is what it looks like. And then next, I'm gonna use the Intensive Conditioning Treatment. And then last but not least, I'm gonna use the Creamy Hydration Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. So you don't have to use both conditioners. You can pick and choose which ones you wanna use. But as for me, I'm gonna use all three of them today. Okay, so moving on to my hair here. As you can see, my hair looks nice and moisturized. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it out. And when you do this, guys, this treatment has an unpleasant smell. Maybe it's just me, but I do not like the smell. So you want to wash your hair a lot of times. You want to make sure, especially if your hair is braided up like mine, you want to make sure you thoroughly wash your hair out. That is why I'm using both conditioner and the shampoo. Make sure you're getting your scalp, getting your roots. Make sure you're getting every part of your hair. Even if you have to apply the shampoo or conditioner several times, you have to make sure you get the products out. Otherwise, you're gonna walk around with stinky hair for days. Okay, so here it is. My hair looks nice and clean. As you can see, there's no products, there's no residue. It's just nice and clean. So this is a few moments later. I went ahead and applied my oils. That is what the white things you're seeing is. I just went ahead and oiled my scalp and also oiled the rest of my hair. And I'm also just playing with my hair here to show you how strong and healthy it looks. And you guys know that my hair shrinks a lot. But I just love the fact that it looks healthy, clean, and moisturized. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.